are going upstairs to get dressed, and then fix my hair, make breakfast, and then I got some work to do, and then we're gonna work out. Actually, no, we're gonna make energized workout, and then we're gonna work. Gotta get that in first. Otherwise it's not gonna get done. And I gotta finish my laundry, and which is almost done. I have one more little left to do. I gotta fold it all, put everything away, and then I have work for preschool I gotta do, but that's not like urgent. That can get done tomorrow if it has to. So I'm gonna go find my clothing I'm gonna wear today. I think I'm gonna do workout clothes, but I'm probably just gonna throw on some random ones. I don't really know, but I'll take you along for the ride. It's snowing again in Canada. Well, I guess that's what you pay for living in Canada, right? But I've had lunch. We're waiting for our food to settle before we go make our energy hydrate stuff for working out. And then we're gonna work out, and then our post-workout stuff. And then I gotta finish up my laundry, putting it all away. Now I'm debating on filming a draw my life. I don't draw, so I just use pictures, but let me know what you guys think. Guys, it's like a freaking blizzard outside. I know it's like stopped for now, but like it's been blizzarding all afternoon. And we're considering going outside and show. But like, we don't like winter. We don't like snow. But in some other news, I'm about to go make some more food because I'm starving. And it's about time I eat again. Because, you know, girl eats every 2 hours. Or so. But we're going to go make some food. And she heard the word food. So we're going to go find something in the fridge and see what happens. I think we might do a wrap or something. I don't know. She wants to go outside. But, okay, fine. We'll let you outside. She's not so. I tell you, not so. Check the snow situation up front. It's not worth shoveling yet. I don't think anyway. If it gets to be a bit worse, then I will go outside and shovel. But so far, so good. I hate shoveling. And she's gonna be a nutso, so I'm giving her dental thingy to come back inside. I shouldn't have gone. And it's starting to snow again, just lightly. But for now, food. Like, our fridge is full. It's just, I hate making food. That's really good. I've been eating some of it. I'm not going to do that though. Here's some ham. And we eat chicken. I really like this chicken. It's probably not the best for you, but I love it. And some of this. And we're going to do like that. Not that. Actually, that needs to go away. But now the fun's gonna be getting one that's not broken. We have a couple different tortillas in here. I like the flour ones, although the whole wheat ones are really good too. We have those back there. And then some sauces. Normally I like to do the low fat one, but we don't have any. So rancher's choice it is. And we're gonna whip this up into a wrap. snowing again? Yeah, it's snowing again. Did you know that? I swear, the minute she gets put outside, she goes nuts. And these, by the way, I just made really good. So I forget where I left you guys, but it's been a couple hours, so I'm actually dressed in real human clothing. I'm out of my sports bra. If you can't tell us what this is, the regular one. But I went out for dinner with one of my friends. We went out for about 2 hours at this restaurant, and we normally do like appetizers and our regular meal, and sometimes we'll do dinner and dessert. So tonight we just did dinner and dessert. So we did that, and then I came home and walked my dog, and now I'm still in my regular clothes. I haven't changed into pajamas yet. I'm debating on watching Grey's Anatomy or answering emails and social media messages. I don't know. But we'll see. And I need to finish folding clothes tomorrow. Really, I just need to finish folding stuff and putting stuff away tomorrow. That's going to be my day. So, I hope you enjoyed today.